what's up? Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a vlog. How do I do this again? Anyway, I'm trying to be better about posting, and so I need things to film. Jacob's here, Bella's here. Anyways, how's it going? How are y'all doing? I'm doing good. I had a doctor's appointment today. We can go over that in another video. Blah, blah, blah. I just got done going to the grocery store. Do y'all want to see what I got? Do ya? I'm going to show you, only if you want to. We got Triscuits. These are Matt's cookie things, granola bars. These are Matt's Little Bites. Empty bag. And a pin. We got Rice Krispies Poppers. Never had those before. Those are Matt's. These are also Matt's. Most of this stuff is Matt's because I'm on a diet and I eat the same things basically every day. Got pepperoni, Matt's. Turkey breast. You guessed it, Matt's. A pin. Walnuts. These are mine. Woo! And I got some chicken thighs. We're gonna barbecue for dinner. These are for me. Little snack. And bread. This is the lowest calorie bread that I can find that tastes good. So, whoopsies. Yeah, the nature. Oh my goodness. There we go. Nature's Own whole wheat bread. It's good. Bananas. We eat so many bananas. We got apples. And we got corn on the cob to eat with our barbecued chicken that I'm making Matt make. We got paper towels. We got Greek vanilla yogurt, my favorite thing in the whole world. I eat this every day. I got 2 of them. And a little low-fat cottage cheese. I haven't had cottage cheese in so long, but I miss it. So I got the low-fat, or fat-free, sorry, cottage cheese to go with my tomatoes because I'm still eating them. I got a little misc bag of dog bones. I got this for Matt. It's like one of those cool towels because he works outside and it's hot here. Got spray and wash. And I got one of these for my workouts. It's like one of those band things that you work out with. I work out now, guys. I got soap. And I got more of this stuff because I got my ear pierced yesterday. Look at it. Look at how cool. Do you like it? It hurts really bad, but it's really cool. What else do we have here? Oh, there's 2 more bags. I got, this is for Matt. He said it's good. It's white grape peach. And I treated myself to some clearance clothing items. Got me, oh my gosh, you keep falling. I got a little black swimsuit. I'm going to try it on for you. And I got this top. That was $1. I'll try that on for you. And I got this swimming suit that I will also try on for you. Just know that yesterday, it was Sunday, and we go out to eat every Sunday at a new place. And yesterday we had Olive Garden, and I had pasta. Well, I gained about a pound yesterday because of the pasta. So I'm a little bloated. So just bear with me here. But I got to put all this stuff away. I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you my things. Oh, I went to Ross yesterday. I'm going to show you my new backpacks. Oh, and I got a package over there. I'm going to show you that too, because it's been a while. I'm excited if you can't tell, but I'm also very thirsty. I need a drink. I'll be back. Here's the top, which is a little tight because of my pasta eaten yesterday. And I'm wearing the wrong bra because since I've lost all this weight, girls' boobs saggy, okay? Like, have to wear a sports bra, but here it is, my shirt. Yeah, it was $1. I don't have a lot of colorful clothes, so $1. Let me try on this swimsuit. I don't know if I want to show you this two-piece because the girl bloated. Okay, here's the swimming suit. I can't believe I'm showing you this. Yeah, she's a little bloated there. But I just left my underwear on underneath before I wash it, but it makes the girls look pretty good because I can tie this thing tight. Yeah, don't mind all this stuff is donating stuff. Clothes that are too big. I just did like a spring cleaning, and that is all stuff that I need to donate. So here's the one piece. This is cute. It's a size medium, so it's a little snug. But yeah, I like the black and I like the ribbed detail. It's cute. It's got little ties right here. A little bum back there trying to make an appearance. Ah, what do you think of this one? This was $9 at Walmart. It's crazy because the last swimsuit I showed you guys in a vlog a long time ago was an extra large, and it was like too small. And here I am rocking a medium one piece. And the bikini that I tried, the bottoms were a medium and the top is a large. And the shirt that I got was a size medium. So it's just crazy, like the short of the pant. I'm in a size 5 now. I was in a size 13, almost 15 size jeans the last time you guys saw me. Now I'm in a size 5, almost a size 3. Like, do y'all want a weight loss journey story? Let me know. Anyway, I'm going to show you these bags that I got yesterday because they are so cute. Maybe I should lock the door. Let's see. Let me turn the light on. I'm vlogging on my phone, so soon I promise I'm going to get a G7X soon. I promise. So it's going to be better. But here's the first one. Look at this cute Steve Madden bag that I got at Ross for $24.99. Like, it's just so cute. It's got like the chain and faux leather. I've had this one forever. This little backpack, the red one. And I love it, but sometimes I wear outfits that are a little dressier and I want a bag that's a little dressier. So I got this. I just love it. There's like 2 compartments, a little flap at the front. And then I got this one, which Matt hates, but I just love it. So I got it. And it was on clearance. It was $14. And it's a backpack. But look at how cute. Look at how stinking cute this is. It's my stop sign backpack. I just think it's the most adorable thing ever. So I bought it because treat yourself. What else did I get yesterday? I got this rug that I'm going to replace this with. And then I got this mermaid here because I love mermaids. And then I got Matt some clothes because he's also lost about 15 pounds or so. he was needing some new clothes. Let me show you. So this brand reached out to me, and it's not sponsored or anything. They hashtag gifted me this stuff to get my opinion or whatever, but it's a little bougie. Let me just tell you. I was very surprised. Like, I don't think any of this stuff is real, but they asked me, they're like, hey, do you want to get some stuff off our website, share it with your subscribers, we'll give you a discount code, whatever. I'm like, okay, sure, like, I'm a real YouTuber now. Like, okay. So I picked out these black slides, but they're not just any black slides. They say Gucci on them. Are these real? Like, I don't know. I got them because I just wanted some plain black slides. And if you're offering to send me some, I'm gonna get plain black slides that say Gucci on them, okay? Like, they're very, like, they're not gaudy or anything. They're very cool. And then, they also, well, I got to pick out what I want, a max number or whatever. And then they sent me, or I picked out this, Cartier, I don't know, it came in this box. Bracelet, the one that you have to like screw to get on and off. It's cool. It's almost too small for me. Like, I can barely move it, but I like it. It came with the little wrench thing to put it on and off. And the stuff on this website is like, this stuff looks real to me, but it's like a fraction of the price. So if you want name brand things, like, I'm not into name brand. Like, I'm wearing a $9 Walmart swimsuit. Like, brands don't mean anything to me. Like, but this bracelet, like, I don't think it's real at all. I just like the way it looks. I like that it can't come off unless you take it off. I don't know. And then I also got this belt, the Gucci belt. Like, I don't know if this is real, but I see girls wearing this belt, and I'm like, I love that belt. So, here I am, basic, with my real or fake, question mark, Gucci belt, Gucci slides, and my Cartier bracelet. Cartier? I don't know. I feel bad and bougie. Isn't that a song? I said that in Walmart really loud. I was talking to Matt on the phone. I was like, Matt, I'm wearing my Gucci slides and I'm at Walmart. I feel bad and bougie. Oh, jeez. Anyways, yeah. Now I gotta clean up this mess. And I'm gonna marinate this chicken. And, oh, I'm gonna leave the link and whatever in the description box for the stuff that I got and the website if you wanna check it out. There's a bunch of stuff. I mean, I'm not being sponsored by this. They just sent me some stuff to see if I liked it, and I like it. I mean, if somebody told me it was real, I would have been like, okay, thanks, this is real. So, anyways, yeah. I'm gonna put some regular clothes back on and clean up this kitchen, and I will see you in a little bit. Look who's home. I'm vlogging. You want to be in my vlog?
Still too late for that, isn't it?
I cleaned up a tad. Just a tad. But Matt's home now, so I'm not going to get much else done today, because that's what happens. He's not going to his other job because I didn't want him to.